दशमः पाठः डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम महोदयः। रिस्पेक्टेड डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम। डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम महोदयः भारतस्य ललामभूतः पुरुषः। ऑनरेबल डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम इज द ऑर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। तमिलनाडु राज्ये रामेश्वराख्ये ग्रामे सः अजायत। He was born in a village called Rameshwar in the state of Tamil Nadu. जैनुलवदिनः तस्य जनकः, आशियम्मा च जननी। Jainulabdin was his father and Ashiyamma was his mother. नौकावहनं तस्य कुटुम्बस्य उदरनिर्वाहस्य साधनम् आसीत्। Rowing a boat was the means of livelihood of his family. तेन अल्पधनः अयं परिवारः। So this family was poor. अतः बाल्ये सः परिश्रमैः धनार्जनम् अकरोत्। So he earned money in his childhood by working hard. तस्य जनकः न धनिकः न वा उच्च विद्या विभूषितः। His father was neither rich nor highly educated. तथापि जनकेन जनन्या च सुसंस्कृतः एषः बालः। But this boy was well cultivated by his father and mother. बाल्यात् प्रभृति तस्य ईश्वरे नितान्ता श्रद्धा आसीत्। He had deep faith in God since childhood. सुखे च दुःखे च तथा निराशायाम् अपि परमेश्वरः एव अस्माकं मार्गदर्शकः इति तस्य प्रगाढः विश्वासः। It was his firm belief that God alone was their guide in happiness and unhappiness as well as in despair. आकाशे विमानचालनं तस्य स्वप्नः। Flying an airplane was his dream. किन्तु यद्यपि तस्य बुद्धिमत्ता असामान्या तथापि शारीरिक क्षमतायाः न्यूनत्वेन तस्य स्वप्नः पूर्णतां न अगच्छत्। But even though his intellect was extraordinary, his dream could not be fulfilled due to deficiency in physical ability. डॉक्टर कलाम महोदयेन तस्य सहकारिभिः संशोधकैः शास्त्रज्ञैः तन्त्रज्ञैः SLV-3 इत्याख्यः अग्निबाणः निर्मितः। A rocket named SLV-3 was designed by Honorable Dr. Kalam, his associate research scientists and technicians. तस्य उड्डयनं नाम अपूर्वः प्रयोगः आसीत्। Launching it was an unprecedented experiment. सर्वे भारतीयाः तथा च वैदेशिकाः शास्त्रज्ञाः उत्सुकाः अवर्तन्त। All Indians as well as foreign scientists were curious. किन्तु एषः अग्निबाणः निमिषार्धात् एव समुद्रे पतितः। But this rocket fell into the ocean in a fraction of a second. डॉक्टर कलाम महोदयः प्रयोगस्य नायकः आसीत्। डॉक्टर कलाम was the leader of the experiment. अतः तेन स्वीकृतम् अपयशः। So failure was accepted by him. परं तेन सः विचलितः न अभवत्। But he was not shaken by it. दृढ निर्धारेण नूतनं कार्यं प्रारभत सः। He started new work with firm determination. एतद् एव तस्य असामान्यत्वम्. This itself was his extraordinary quality.